Hi there. So in this video we are going to talk about post type parameters in WP query. Well, it should be parameter because there is only one parameter for that. So basically if we want to get result based on particular post type, then this post type parameter will be used in WP query. And if you don't know what is post type, I will provide the link into the description section. I would suggest to watch that video first and then come back to this video. So yeah, we will continue adding arguments in our allbooks.php, and this is the post type parameter. So we already created a post type called book. Let me log into the site, and we will try to get the book in our WP query. So this is the book custom post type we have created so far, and there are numbers of books we have over here. So now I'm gonna call this all books page where I have written all the code. So yeah, we are getting all the book from this, and if we don't pass any post type, by default it will bring these posts into the result. So let's try to refresh this. So as you can see, it is fetching the result from the post. And how to get post type slug? So it's pretty simple. For post, it is post. We don't need to pass any slug, but let's say we want to get the post type of pages. If we click on this, we can see the post type page equal to page, so that now if we pass page, then we will get the pages list over here. As you can see, about us, activate activity, those are pages. About us, activate activity. Now let's say you want to get pages and books all together. So what you need to do is simply convert this into an array and pass the post type whatever you want. So I'll bring page and book. So total pages are 6. Now let's try to refresh. Total pages are 27. This is book. This is page. So yeah, it's all mixed up, but you get the idea. So if you want to get multiple result from multiple post type, you can pass this as an array. And if you want to have all the results, just pass any. So it will fetch the result from all the post types. So as you can see, number of pages are increased to 133. So yeah, we have everything in just one place. So yeah, this is how post type parameter works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.